How do you grade images for diabetic retinopathy and maculopathy? There are 4 grades for diabetic retinopathy. If you do not see any abnormalities, there is no apparent diabetic retinopathy. If you only see microaneurysms, it is a mild, non-proliferative diabetic retinopathy, abbreviated NPDR. It is a severe non-proliferative diabetic retinopathy if there are any of the following signs: more than 20 intraretinal hemorrhages in each of the 4 quadrants, so temporal superior, nasal superior, temporal inferior, and nasal inferior, venous beading in 2 or more quadrants, or prominent intraretinal microvascular abnormalities, abbreviated IRMAs, in 1 or more quadrant. You can remember this with the 4-2-1 rule. If you see intraretinal hemorrhages or venous beading, but not enough to diagnose severe NPDR, it is moderate NPDR. Proliferative diabetic retinopathy is defined by the presence of one of the following signs: neovascularization or a fibrovascular proliferation, vitreous hemorrhage or pre-retinal hemorrhage, tractional or combined retinal detachment. How do you recognize diabetic maculopathy? If you see exudates in the macula, it is highly suspicious for diabetic maculopathy.